Is back in the green midweek while soybeans and wheat push lower. AgDay's Michelle Rook is back with more on if the bulls have run out of steam in markets now.
Corn and cattle to the plus side, but soybeans lower on Wednesday. Roose U.S. Commodities is back with analysis. So let's unpack this. Corn to the plus side, it looks like pushed by Argentina weather, Don.
Yeah, I think the big issue is we're having a price adjustment from the crop report that we had on Friday, which was positive on corn, mostly a little bit positive on soybeans. But, the corn market, we're the cheapest in the world right now. We're very competitive. Argentina is the next one up to bat, April, May on harvest. In their crop, we don't know about, but it's warm and dry here for the next 10 days, Michelle. So adding some risk premium still to the corn on top of the crop report on Friday.
And what about soybeans? They started off higher on Wednesday, but then kind of sold off mid-session. Was that a South American weather it was trading, or was that the NOPA crush figures?
Well, I think the soybeans don't have a real bullish fundamental story unless you get into some real weather problems in Brazil. Argentina, looks like, the crop's struggling there a little bit, but Brazil should more than make up for any losses in Argentina. That's the issue. So we'll watch Brazil close. But, it is true that the crush number was a big number, record number. And, that you're crushing for the soybean meal. So too much meal, a lot of tonnage on the meal as we're crushing for the oil. And that was an anchor on soybeans also, Michelle.
And then corn and soybeans just keep kind of running up into chart resistance here too, don't they?
Well, and that's it. I mean, the corn market, what have we done? We've rewound all the way back up to the mid-June levels, basically. Basis levels, of course, came under pressure on this rally. Soybeans up to big resistance also. Spike top, remember, on the soybeans chart-wise, so that's a little warning sign for the bulls. We've been in going on a month uptrend buy signal on these grain markets moving up. But it's overbought at some mature levels. You got to be careful going into a 3-day weekend that anything can change with this weather out here, Michelle.
No doubt. All right, thanks so much. Don Roose with U.S. Commodities. A lot more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.
For all your risk management and trading needs, call one of the U.S. Commodities specialists at 800-247-4071.